In this video, you will get to understand the foundation of how a keto diet works. Understanding this will make it much simpler to make it work for you. A keto diet turns your body into a fat-burning machine, making it easy to lose weight, stay full longer, control your blood sugar, and improve your health. On a keto diet, your body burns fat for energy, and your brain uses ketones, which come from fat. This makes you a fat-burning machine, which is very different from what most people are used to. There's an obesity crisis worldwide. Most people in modern countries are overweight or obese. This also leads to a diabetes epidemic, meaning too much sugar in people's blood. Every other American is predicted to get type 2 diabetes. It's even worse in China, India, and the Arab world. This problem is global, not just in the US and Europe. Excess fat and sugar cause many health issues. This likely affects you or someone you know already. Why is this happening? We have constant access to high-carb, high-sugar foods that are very tasty and addictive. Eating these foods raises our blood sugar and makes our bodies burn sugar instead of fat. Every time we eat these foods, our blood sugar rises, and our bodies stop burning fat. Insulin, the body's fat-storing hormone, increases. This means our bodies store fat instead of burning it. Insulin tells our body to store fat. We burn sugar first and store fat for later, but we eat again before we get to burn the stored fat. This issue isn't just with junk food like donuts. Even starchy foods like bread and pasta turn into sugar in our bodies, raising blood sugar and insulin levels. Constant sugar intake can lead to diabetes and continuous fat storage, causing obesity. Simply eating less and exercising more isn't enough to stop this. The eat less, move more approach hasn't worked. Losing weight by counting calories is hard, especially when eating lots of sugar and carbs keeps you in fat-storing mode. As long as people eat lots of sugar and carbs, they'll stay in fat-storing mode, making weight loss difficult. How does keto help? A keto diet is the opposite of a high-carb diet. Instead of burning sugar, you burn fat, which helps reverse diseases caused by too much sugar and carbs, including obesity. A keto diet is very low in carbs, with moderate protein. Your energy will come from fat instead of carbs, making your body run on fat. Muscles use fat for energy, but the brain uses ketones, made from fat in the liver. Ketones are great for the brain. On a keto diet, your brain uses ketones for energy. This is important during fasting or starvation when the body makes ketones from fat to fuel the brain. You don't need to starve to get into ketosis. A keto diet does the same thing. Unlike fasting, you can stay on a keto diet long-term. Keto makes you a constant fat-burning machine. While others exercise to burn fat, you'll burn fat all the time, even while sleeping. Carbs provide short-term energy, making you hungry quickly. Fat stores provide long-term energy, keeping you full and energetic for longer on a keto diet. You'll feel like the Energizer Bunny, with sustained energy and less need for snacks. This saves time and money while keeping you in fat-burning mode. Keto is great for weight loss, but it offers more benefits. We'll explore these in detail later in this course. Next, we'll discuss what you can eat on a keto diet. Join me in part 3 to learn more.